I never in a million years would have guessed that this Cowboys fan would pair up with the Patriots fan. But here we are, getting married literally while the Cowboys and the Pats are playing right now.
As Mark and Sarah commit themselves to each other today, we reflect on the journeys that brought them together. From growing up in different parts of the country to a chance meeting here in the great state of Texas.
When she was out one night on West 6th Street at a bar called Parlor and Yard, she found herself talking to a guy named Mark.
I had been out at a wine and chili festival all day. I'd been carrying around a wine glass under my jacket, and so he orders me a whiskey Coke.
We sat down and immediately she pulls a wine glass out of her pocket and then she pours her whiskey Coke directly into the wine glass, puts the cup aside and just starts drinking like nothing happened.
And the story goes, he told one of his friends the next day, he's like, yeah man, I fell in love this weekend.
Yeah, I have a gift that I want to give you.
Oh my gosh, a wine glass in her pocket.
Yep. You are a passionate, dedicated person who would do anything for a friend. You love to make plans, to be the host, have great experiences, travel, and enjoy life. I know that there are many things we have experienced together that I wouldn't have otherwise.
I love you for loving all my quirks, and you're so supportive of me, who I am, who I want to become. I can't tell you how much I value having found a man who truly wants me to accomplish my dreams and who embraces my dreams into building our dreams.
Mark surprised Sarah with a beautiful engagement on a boat, which is one of Sarah's favorite Austin activities, so props to you for getting that one right.
We were supposed to be here over a year ago, but then COVID had other plans. Together, like everything else they do, they took it in stride. We decided to get married following our original timeline. So this is actually our 1-year anniversary. Eight months after we got married, on my birthday, Mark planned a birthday float.
And we were tubing on the San Marcos River. I flipped over and I just saw my ring go.
He just makes a face and he looks back at me and he goes, Sarah, my wedding ring. Okay, open your eyes. Will you marry me?
Yes.
And I got it inscribed.
Oh my God.
This is the exact same ring, and it's inscribed, and it says deeper than a river.
You are so top. Oh my God.
I, Sarah, give you, Mark, this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
I, Mark, give you, Sarah, this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
I promise to keep the fan on at night, to keep Saturdays free for UT football, to let Halo cuddle with you extra, even though I'm her favorite. I promise to go to any nearby drum corps show because they really are so cool, and be the one who drives through rush hour traffic if it means letting you see a notable engineering feat or a really cool and exciting bridge.
I promise to bring Halo with me when I pick you up from the airport after a work trip. I promise to finish all the sushi when you order us way too much. I promise to take you on dates. I promise to be your biggest fan, your handyman, your Uber driver, and anything and everything you need me to be.
It is with great honor and delight that I now present to you all, now together as one, Sarah and Mark. Make it now.
Your future is yours to live a life together, one of travel and adventure, giving, friendship, sharing, laughter, cards, New England Patriots, Boston Red Sox, Boston Bruins, skiing, and I'll give you UT football.